In today's video, we'll explore Power BI's Smart Narrative, an amazing tool that auto-generates insights from your visuals. Let's take a closer look at how this works. First, open the Power BI desktop. Here I've created a few visuals. First one, a tornado chart, Store A versus Store B sales comparison. Second, a column chart, sales by gadget. Third, a pie chart, sales by gadget. Now go to Visualization pane. Select the Smart Narrative visual option. Power BI will analyze the data and generate a narrative summary right below your charts, or anywhere you want in your report. As you can see, it generates natural language text based on the data presented in the visuals, highlighting key insights like trends, outliers, and comparisons. It's like having a data analyst automatically write a summary for you. Now, you might be wondering, can I customize this narrative? Absolutely. You can tailor the content by adjusting the parameters that drive the narrative. For example, click on the Smart Narrative visual and you will see this box. Here, click Review. Then click on Value and ask question. What is the top sold gadget? Click here and save it. Next, again, go to Review, Value, and ask question. What is the sales of laptops? And save it. Now here you can see both the answers. You can also edit the text to make it more in line with your company's voice or add specific details. So, there you have it, the Smart Narrative feature in Power BI. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.